This video covers Incogni versus Optery, two leading data removal services. Choosing the right service can help protect your privacy effectively without spending hours managing requests. Both offer automated data removal but differ in approach and features. Incogni and Optery both focus on removing your personal data from data brokers. Incogni operates through legal representation to send removal requests, while Optery automates the identification and opt-out process directly. The core difference lies in their method of enforcement and automation. Incogni is a data removal service that works by acting as your legal representative to contact data brokers. Once you sign up, Incogni scans databases to identify where your personal information appears. It then sends formal legal requests to these brokers demanding removal of your data. This legal backing often results in higher compliance rates. Incogni's strengths include a thorough, legally supported approach that can handle complex cases and repeated follow-ups automatically. However, it requires you to grant power of attorney, which may concern some users. The service focuses on comprehensive removal but may take longer due to legal procedures. Incogni is ideal for users who want a powerful, hands-off solution backed by legal authority, particularly if privacy is a serious concern and they prefer professional handling over DIY methods. Options: a privacy tool that automates the process of finding and opting out of data holding your personal information. After you provide your data, Optery scans popular broker databases and generates opt-out requests you can submit. It simplifies the traditionally tedious manual process by providing ready-to-use forms and tracking their status. Optery's strengths lie in its user-friendly interface and automation that empowers users to control their data removal independently. It does not require legal representation, which keeps it straightforward and transparent. However, without legal enforcement, some brokers might ignore requests or delay compliance. Optery is best suited for users comfortable managing their own privacy efforts who want a cost-effective, automated way to reduce their data footprint without involving legal processes. Comparing Incogni and Optery highlights key trade-offs. Incogni's legal representation often achieves more effective and lasting data removal, especially with stubborn brokers, but involves granting legal access to your data and may take longer. Optery offers a quicker, more hands-on experience by automating opt-out forms, ideal for those who want transparency and control without legal involvement. For example, if you prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach with stronger enforcement, Incogni is the better choice. On the other hand, if you want to actively manage your privacy with a tool that simplifies the process, Optery fits well. Both services cover a broad range of brokers but differ in compliance guarantees and user involvement, making the choice dependent on your privacy priorities and comfort with legal processes. Choose Incogni if you want a legally backed, comprehensive data removal service that handles everything for you with strong enforcement against data brokers. Optery is ideal if you prefer a user-friendly automated tool to manage your data removal independently without legal commitments. Both services improve your privacy, so select the one that matches your desired level of control and enforcement for effective data protection.